Alright, welcome back everybody. Where we left off, we had this awesome picture of Tony, and we're messing with the layer mask down here at the bottom right. And I have switched colors, so I have white in the foreground, so I think I was going to just leave Tony's eye flesh tone. And so I'm going through, and I'm painting over the mask, and I'm bringing back the white background, or actually I'm getting rid of some of the black we painted to begin with. So now we have this nice square flesh tone. Okay, I'm actually going to paint a little bit more of his face back in. Okay, now let's say we want to add another adjustment layer, and we can, of course, stack as many as we want. I'm going to go in with the hue saturation adjustment layer, and there it is on top of our black and white layer. And we can always readjust the order. I can bring hue adjustment down below black and white, or I can bring it back up. And what I'm going to do here is come up to the options on the hue saturation. I'm going to turn the saturation up quite a bit. You notice Tony's face is getting crazily saturated. But let's say I went to affect only where his eye is on top of this layer mask. So I'm going to come down here, make sure I have the black selected, and on the hue saturation color mask I am going to cut a hole so we can see underneath. So from there we can see the multiple layers we have going. The black and white, of course, is affecting here. We cut a hole in it to bring in the flesh tone, and on top we have a hue saturation which is affecting this part down here. Alright, that is it for adjustment layers. Hope you learned a little something, and
just as a reminder, the way that I'm going to affect change on these adjustment layers is I'm going to use the opposite color that I have for my mask. So if my mask is white, I'm going to be painting with black, and if I want to reverse the change that I made, I'm going to switch and put white in the foreground. So it's all about having the opposite or the same color as the mask that I start out with. Alright, we'll see you guys later.
later.